Alright, this is some AR500 steel, and this is the same steel. It's 3/8 thickness. It's supposed to be good for high-powered rifles. Hootie Hoo shot one with a 50 BMG, and it did not go all the way through. Made a big old dent in it, though. So I don't want to waste this big target by damaging it up. So I'm going to shoot the smaller one. It's supposed to be the same stuff. And I'm going to shoot it with this right here, which is the 50-110 verse, and I'm just have this 45-70 here for comparison, so you can see what the size difference is. It's a little bit bigger. It's we're going to shoot it out of an 1886 Winchester, and we're going to shoot it into one of these and see what kind of damage it'll do to it. And let's get started. Alright, today we're trying out this 300 grain bullet on this 50-110 cartridge out of this 1886 Winchester. Alright, we'll try to shoot that metal plate on top of that board. Let's see what happened to it. Now, this is AR500 steel. It's supposed to stop rifle bullets. Bought it at Walmart. Of course, you're supposed to have them a little bit further than 25 yards, but hey, I'm kind of disappointed. This is only a lever action. This is not even like a high-powered rifle. That plug come on through. So don't try this at home. Don't shoot AR500, even though it's pretty thick, with your lever action, because it might just blow a hole through it. 300 grain bullet doing 2,800 feet a second out of a 1886 Winchester. That's some interesting looking crater right there. There's what she did. That's a pretty good size hole. You can see the crater it left in that AR500. Kind of made this ragged looking exit hole. That's what it did. Went right on through it. Wonder if it's because I had it stopped where it couldn't swing.